Blue Star Higher Secondary School video classes for 10th standard mathematics. So last video we see exercise 7.1 problems. Now we are going to see some example problems before we are going to see the exercise 7.2. First example 7.15. Find the volume of a cylinder whose height is 2 meter and whose base area is 250 meter square. Let R and H be the radius and height of the cylinder. Given height H is equal to 2 meter, base area is equal to 250 meter square. So pi r square is equal to 250. Pi r square is equal to 250 meter square and height H is equal to 2 meter. So volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square H cubic units, which is equal to pi r square into H. We know the pi r square value is 250 into height is 2, which is equal to 500 meter cube. Therefore, volume of a cylinder is equal to 500 meter cube. Next one is example 7.16. The volume of a cylindrical water tank is 1.078 into 10 to the power 6 liters. If the diameter of the tank is 7 meter, find its height. So here the volume of the cylindrical water tank is given in a standard form, that is scientific notation form. So volume is equal to 1.078 into 10 to the power 6. Then diameter is equal to 7 meter. Let R and H be the radius and height of the cylinder. Given diameter is equal to 7 meter. So radius is equal to diameter by 2. That is 7 by 2, which is equal to, radius is equal to 7 by 2 meter. Then volume of the tank is equal to 1.078 into 10 to the power 6, which is equal to 1.078 into 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 3. We can use the form a power m is equal to a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n, which is equal to 1078 into 10 to the power 3, which is equal to 1078,000 liters. So 1 liter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter cube, which is equal to 1078,000 by 1000 meter cube. We get the volume of the cylindrical tank is equal to 1078 meter cube. That is pi r square H is equal to 1078. So pi value is 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into H, which is equal to 1078. Which is implies height H is equal to 1078 into 7 by 22 into 2 by 7 into 2 by 7. So 2 and 22 gets cancelled. You get 11. 7 and 7 gets cancelled. Again 7 and 1078 gets cancelled. You get 154 times. Then 11 and 154 gets cancelled. You get 14 times. So H is equal to 14 into 2. H is equal to 28 meter. Therefore, height of the tank is 28 meter. Then example 7.17. Find the volume of the iron used to make a hollow cylinder of height 9 cm and whose internal and external radii are 21 cm and 28 cm respectively. Let small r and capital R and H be the internal radius, external radius and height of the hollow cylinder respectively. Given small r is equal to 21 cm, capital R is equal to 28 cm, H is equal to 9 cm. volume of the hollow cylinder is equal to pi into capital R square minus small r square into h cubic units, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 28 square minus 21 square into 9, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 784 minus 441 into 9, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 343 into 9. So 7 and 343 gets cancelled. It is 49 times. So 22 into 49 into 9. You get the volume of iron used is 9702 centimeter cube. Example 7.18 for the cylinders A and B. First one, find out the cylinder whose volume is greater. Second one, verify whether the cylinder with greater volume has greater total surface area. And third subdivision is find the ratio of the volume of the cylinders A and B. So here you have the cylinder of diameter 7 centimeter, that is cylinder A, and height is 21 centimeter. Cylinder B, its diameter is 21 centimeter and the height is 7 centimeter. First one, cylinder A, diameter is equal to 7 centimeter, so radius is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter, and height is h is equal to 21 centimeter. So volume of a cylinder A is equal to pi r square h cubic units, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 21. So 7 gets cancelled, 2 and 22 gets cancelled, you get 11. So volume of cylinder A is equal to 11 into 3.5 into 21. You get 231 into 3.5, which is equal to 808.5 centimeter cube. That is the volume of cylinder A. Next, the cylinder B diameter is 21. So R is equal to 21 by 2 centimeter. Height h is equal to 7 centimeter. So volume of cylinder B is equal to pi r square h cubic units. So volume of cylinder B is equal to 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2 into 7. So 7 and 21 gets cancelled, it gives 3 times. And 2 and 22 gets cancelled, it gives 11 times. Again 2 and 7 gets cancelled, it gives 3.5. So which is equal to 11 into 3 into 21 into 3.5, which is equal to 33 into 21 into 3.5, which is equal to 693 into 3.5. So volume of cylinder B is equal to 2425.5 centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of cylinder B is greater than volume of cylinder A. Next, the second subdivision. TSA of a cylinder A is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r square units. R is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter, h is equal to 21 centimeter, which is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into h is 21 plus 7 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled, 7 gets cancelled, which is equal to 22 into 21 plus 3.5. 22 into 24.5. So TSA of a cylinder A is equal to 539 centimeter square. Next, TSA of a cylinder B is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r square units. So here r is equal to 21 by 2 centimeter, h is equal to 7 centimeter, which is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 7 plus 21 by 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled, 7, 21 gets cancelled, it gives 3 times, which is equal to 22 into 3 into 7 plus 21 by 2 is 10.5, which is equal to 22 into 3 into 17.5, which is equal to 66 into 17.5. Therefore, TSA of a cylinder B is equal to 1155 centimeter square. Hence, verified that cylinder B with greater volume has a greater surface area. Third subdivision. Volume of cylinder A is to volume of cylinder B is equal to 808.5 is to 2425.5. So volume of cylinder A divided by volume of cylinder B is equal to 808.5 divided by 2425.5, which is equal to 8085 divided by 24255. So if you simplify, you get 4851 and 1617. Again you simplify, you get 1/3. Therefore, volume of cylinder A is to volume of cylinder B is equal to 1:3. Therefore, the ratio of the volume of cylinders A and B is 1:3. Next one is example 7.19. The volume of a solid right circular cone is 11,088 centimeter cube. If its height is 24 centimeter, then find the radius of the cone. Let R and H be the radius and height of the cone, given H is equal to 24 centimeter. Volume of the cone is equal to 11,088 centimeter cube. That is, volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square H is equal to 11,088. That is 1/3 into 22/7 into r square into H is 24, which is equal to 11088, which is implies r square is equal to 11,088 into 3 into 7/22 into 1/24. So 3 and 24 gets cancelled. It gives 8 times, and 11,088 gets cancelled. It gives 2 times and 1008. Again cancelling, you get 504. Then cancelling 8 and 504, you get the 63 times. So r square is equal to 63 into 7. R square is equal to 9 into 7 into 7. So r is equal to root of 9 into 7 into 7. So root 9 is 3 into 7. Therefore, the radius of the cone is r is equal to 21 centimeter. Example 7.20. The ratio of the volumes of two cones is 2:3. Find the ratio of their radii if the height of the second cone is double the height of the first. Let R1 and H1 be the radius and height of the cone 1. Let R2 and H2 be the radius and height of the cone 2. Given H2 is equal to 2 times of H1, that is, volume of cone 1 is to volume of cone 2 is equal to 2:3. So volume of cone 1 divided by volume of cone 2 is equal to 2 divided by 3. So volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square H. So here the first cone, so you mention it as R1 square H1 divided by 1/3 pi r square pi R2 square H2, which is equal to 2/3. So 1/3 pi gets cancelled, which is implies R1 square by R2 square into H1 by H2 is equal to 2/3, which is implies R1 square by R2 square into H1 by, here given H2 is equal to 2 times of H1. So 2H1 is equal to 2/3. H1 gets cancelled. You get R1 square by R2 square into 1/2 is equal to 2/3, which is implies R1 square by R2 square is equal to 2/3 into 2. It gives R1 square by R2 square is equal to 4/3. R1 root of R1 square by R2 square is equal to root of 4 by 3, which is implies R1 by R2 is equal to 2 by root 3. Therefore, ratio of their radii R1 is to R2 is equal to 2 is to root 3. Next example 7.21. The volume of a solid hemisphere is 29,106 centimeter cube. Another hemisphere whose volume is 2/3 of the above is curved out. Find the radius of the new hemisphere. Let R be the radius of the hemisphere. Given volume of hemisphere is equal to 29,106 centimeter cube. Volume of new hemisphere is equal to 2 by 3 of volume of original hemisphere, which is equal to 2 by 3 into 29,106. So cancelling 3 and 29,106, you get 9702, which is equal to 2 into 9,702. You get the volume of new hemisphere is equal to 19,404 centimeter cube. So volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 19,404. So r cube is equal to 19,404 into 3 by 2 into 7 by 22. So cancelling 2 and 19,404, you get 9,702. Again cancelling 22 and 9,702, you get 882. Again cancelling 2 and 882, you get 441. So r cube is equal to 441 into 7 3s are 21. R cube is equal to 441 into 21. It gives R cube is equal to 21 into 21 into 21. So R is equal to cube root of 21 cube, that is nothing but R is equal to 21 centimeter. Example 7.22. Calculate the weight of a hollow brass sphere if the inner diameter is 14 centimeter and the thickness is 1 mm and whose density is 17.3 gram per centimeter cube. So let R and R be the inner and outer radii of the hollow sphere. Given inner diameter D is equal to 14 centimeter. So R is equal to 14 by 2, that is nothing but 7 centimeter. Thickness is equal to 1 mm. So R minus R is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter, which is implies R minus 7 is equal to 0.1. R is equal to 7 plus 0.1. So capital R is equal to 7.1 centimeter. Then volume of the hollow sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube minus r cube cubic centimeter, which is equal to 4 by 3 into pi value is 22 by 7 into capital R is 7.1 cube minus small r is 7 cube, which is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 357.91 minus 343, which is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 14.91. So 7 and 14.91 gets cancelled, it gives 2.13. Then 3 and 2.13 gets cancelled, 0.17 times. which is equal to 4 into 22 into 0.17, which is equal to 62.48 centimeter cube. So volume of hollow sphere is equal to 62.48 centimeter cube. Weight of brass in 1 cubic centimeter cube or cubic centimeter is equal to 17.3 gram. So weight is equal to volume into density. Therefore, total weight is equal to 62.48 into 17.3, which is equal to 1080.90 gram. Therefore, total weight is 1080.90 grams. Example 7.23. If the radius of the circular ends of a frustum, which is 45 cm high or 28 cm and 7 cm, find the volume of the frustum. Let h, r and capital R be the height, top and bottom radius of the frustum. Given h is equal to 45 cm, capital R is equal to 28 cm, small r is equal to 7 cm. So we are taking the frustum, height is 45 cm, capital R is 28 and small r is 7. Volume of the frustum is equal to 1 by 3 into pi capital R square plus capital R plus small r square into h cubic units. We just substitute the values of capital R is 28 and small r is 7 and height is 45, which is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 28 square is 784 plus 28 into 7 is 196 plus 7 square is 49 into 45. So 3 and 45 gets cancelled 15 times, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 1029 into 15. So 7 and 1029 gets cancelled. It gives 147 times, which is equal to 22 into 147 into 15, which is equal to 48,510. Therefore, volume of the frustum is 48,510 centimeter cube. So up to this, example problems are over. For the next videos, we are just going to see the exercise problems. So thank you students. Have a nice day. You just recall the formulas again and again. Then only you can easily understand how you have to do the problems step by step. Without knowing the formulas, we can't able to do the problems. Thank you students. Have a nice day.